Hey. You know if you want to start out with that laugh, right? Yeah. TSM, yeah. Woo. What you watch? RX Nails, who be pop? RX Nails, what you watch? RX Nails, what they judge? RX Nails, what you watch? RX Nails, who be pop?
Hi, my cuticle cuties. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video, I will be showing you how to pick a great acrylic nail brush. Today's video is sponsored by the brand Giovanshi. They have sent me 2 acrylic nail brushes, and I'm going to explain to you about these brushes and how to use these nail brushes. Let's get straight into the video. Okay, for starters, it comes in a package like this. And let's see. This first one is in Kolinsky acrylic nail brush size 10. Okay, inside we have the size 10 acrylic brush. And it comes in a plastic case that we'll get to in just a sec. We also have a cuticle pusher. And then we have a washable and disinfectable nail file. These 3 items is in the package. That's a size 10. Now we also have a size 8. And in that comes the same, a cuticle pusher, a washable nail file, and the size 8 Kolinsky nail brush, 100%. Right now, you can find these brushes on a promotion on Amazon. I have the link in the description, and you guys won't believe the promotion that they're running. It's 80% off. Yes. You can get these brushes for 80% off right now, starting today. For the size 8 starting at $9.99. For the size 10 starting at $12.99. Yes, the link is in the description. Let me show you how to use these brushes. I'll start off with the size 10. It's 100% pure Kolinsky hair, and it can absorb sufficient amount of acrylic powder. Before using the brush, remember to take this plastic piece off and throw it away. Never use it. Never try to put it back in, because for starters, it will melt this, because by then you've used it and it's going to have product on it. So there is several different ways that you can break a brush in. This metal part right here is called the ferrule. It is important when you press down, because you get more and more pressure, and it causes the brush not to split when being pressed. Now let me show you how to break in a new brush. When it comes from the manufacturer, there is a resin that's sprayed on it to hold it in place. It's very, very hard. So we're just going to take our glove hand. I didn't want to touch it with my bare hands. So we're just going to break it apart like that. And you'll see the dust particles just started popping out. It may take you a few minutes to get it all. That's all you have to do. This is our size 10, 100% Kolinsky hair brush from Giovanshi. I want to make sure we press to get all of the air bubbles out. Now, if you wasn't going to use this brush, once you get the bubbles out, you would store it. But I'm going to be showing you how to pick up some beads as well with this brush. going to go in and get a small bead, okay? So we're going to take our brush and wipe it all the way out like that. Go in and grab a small bead. And then place it down. We want to go in and grab a medium bead. Halfway. We want to go in now and grab a large bead. We're going to take our brush, just tap the bottom off. Just like that. We have a small, medium, and large bead. You are finished with your brush for the day. You would simply clean it with some liquid monomer. Get your bubbles out of it. And you hang it like this, upside down to dry so the liquid don't set in there. You don't want to turn your brush like this because the liquid will start going down your brush. So you want to store it like that. And this was our size 10, 100% pure Kolinsky brush, small, medium, and large. And now we have our size 8 Kolinsky brush, brand Giovanshi. Link is in the description. Remember, once we remove it from the plastic, throw it away. It cannot go back in because by then we're going to have product and it's going to melt this plastic. So throw immediately, just throw it away, okay? Repeating the same step. Let's break the brush in. Now let's practice picking up some beads with the size 8 brush. Now remember, the smaller the brush, the more smaller the beads that you're going to be able to pick up. So you don't know which size brush to get. If you're a beginner, I personally would suggest a size 8 or 10 for a beginner. Now we're going to go in with a small bead, so we're going to wipe it all off. We're going to go in now for a medium bead. Wipe it halfway off. We're going to go in now for a large bead. So we take in, just wipe the bottom off. This was the size 10 acrylic nail brush, 100% Kolinsky hair, small, medium, and large bead. And this was the size 8, small, medium, and large. So you see the difference in what the brush can do. Nevertheless, this is a great brush, very affordable, and right now up to 80% off. Nice wood grain. These are some nice affordable nail brushes for the do acrylic. The link in the description. If you want to purchase these brushes, I would take advantage of the 80% off right now. I don't know how long that sale going to last, so please take advantage of the 80% off. And they have a size 8, 10, and 12 currently on the website. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you have any questions about these brushes or any other thing that you've seen in this video today, go ahead and leave them in the comment section. That's all I have for you guys today. Thank you. Bye-bye.